Struggling with weight management is a common challenge to today's fast-paced world. People often find themselves caught into cycles of crash diets and effective supplements or unsustainable workout routines, all while craving a solution that aligns with their busy lifestyles. This is where Mitolyn stands out as a beacon of hope for those looking to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. So I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the supplement. But I already left the link for the official website in the description of my video in case you need it, guys. But first, listen to what I have to tell you, that I also have an alert to share. Mitolyn is more than just another weight loss supplement. It's a cutting-edge solution that targets weight loss at the cellular level. Designed to enhance mitochondria function, the powerhouse of your cells. It helps optimize energy production and metabolism. Unlike generic supplements that only address surface level symptoms, Mitolyn works to rejuvenate your body's natural ability to burn fat effectively. So the benefits are enhanced fat burning capacity, because the Mitolyn stimulates your mitochondria to work more efficiently, accelerating the conversion of stored fat into energy. This means you will burn more calories even while at rest. Also, sustained energy levels. By improving cellular energy production, it ensures that you will stay active and energetic throughout the day, avoiding the dramatic energy crashes associated with most weight loss supplements. It will also support your metabolic health. The formula is designed to boost your metabolism, making it easier for your body to process food and prevents fat storage. And it is gentle and natural ingredients. With a blend of carefully selected natural compounds, Mitolyn is gentle in your system, reducing the risk of unpleasant side effects often found in traditional weight loss products. And people report not only weight loss, but also better focus, improved mood, and overall sense of vitality. It offers a comprehensive approach to weight management, addressing not just the external, but also the internal factors influencing weight gain. Whether you're just beginning your weight loss journey or need a solution to overcome stubborn hurdles, Mitolyn provides the tools to make your goals achievable and lasting, all right? You just need to be committed to the formula and take it every single day for at least 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months. My only alert for you guys is where you're going to buy the Mitolyn, because it is only sold on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with this information. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original Mitolyn from, nowhere else. So keep that information in mind. Also, on the official website is the place you can check out the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product. So go now and check it out.